Breaker broke 23, so I got the BluDento BLT-HD aptX DAC built-in Bluetooth wireless receiver. This is pretty cool. This is Bluetooth 5.0, 32-bit DAC built in. Got the instruction manual. Little Amazon promotion card there, it looks like. The unit itself. I had a viewer ask me to review one of these because he said it looked an awful like the Audio Engine B1. And by looking on it at it on Amazon, it sure does look like it, right? Oh. BluDento BLT-HD. It does look like it's the same thing, but apparently it's not. So there is a difference in chassis size, so that's cool. So now I know that none of these guys are ripping each other off, although the manufacturer may be pretty much the same. Alright, so on the front panel we just have a little status light there. Adjustable antenna, does not come off. On the rear panel we have the power port, optical output, Toslink output, coaxial output, and then analog left and right RCA output. And that's what the 32-bit DAC outputs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it through its paces for the next 5 days or so. I don't review on little wimpy stereos. I use my old vintage stuff, so this will be going through the Technics SA404 through the Klipsch speakers, and I'll be running the Marantz 2250B through my Fortes as well. So we've got little 3.5 millimeter to female RCA adapter plug, USB cord. We've got maybe 2 or 3 feet of male-to-male RCA and a little Toslink cable too. That's kind of interesting. But there's no AC adapter. Okay, well, I'll just rob the one off of the Audio Engine. Okay, well, this ought to be fun. So, I'll put this thing through its paces, and then I'll do another video and let you know what I think about it. This is neat. Bluetooth 5.0, so that should sound pretty good. Alright, questions or comments, leave them down below, please. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you're already a subscriber and you haven't hit that notification bell, do it now, please. Alright, thanks for watching.